Guys, welcome to a tier list video. We got the boy Adam for this one as well. We're doing a very important one.
Important.
Important. Very, very important for the fat boys out there. Fat Boy Adventures. You know, shout out that one's a.
Wait, Fat Boy Adventures, you like Oreos the best though?
Yeah, but that's not fucking UK chocolate, is it?
No, but I'm just saying. Fat Boy Adventures is all about Oreos. You getting Oreos and milk, or
No,
cookies and milk.
Fat Boy Adventures for everything.
That's mainly Oreos and Coke though, so.
Isn't Coke? I don't even drink fizzy drinks really.
Yeah, that's like that. It's like that Pengus Munch guy going to like.
Hey, yo, we need to
A vegan like restaurants and shit, and not even getting chicken.
Alright, fuck off, man. Let's just start this. What's the first one? Go on.
Kinder Bueno.
I can't lie, meh.
What? I love Kinder Bueno.
What?
I think that's bangers.
Bueno's a banger.
Yeah, it's a banger. The fuck Sumeet, we're overriding him. Okay. Chomp. I can't remember.
I've never heard of Chomp, to be honest.
Crunchies are good. I like Crunchies.
Wait, bro, at this rate, the video's gonna be done in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, okay. Crunchies pretty good.
I think that's meh, to be honest. It's too sweet for me.
Alright, fine. Another crunch. The
Crunch,
shittier
I've never heard of
crunchy.
that.
Just chuck that in there as well, bro.
It's probably the same as crunchy, but like
Probably is.
curly whirlies. I remember these used to get stuck in my teeth all the fucking time.
I used
Never
to
had them.
just chuck these in the bin as well.
Adam,
What are we saying? I've never had them, so I can't.
how much
My
go
opinion
in the
don't
bin?
matter.
Fuck it.
In the bin.
Ace to
Caramel,
get out of
caramel.
It's pretty good.
I can't lie. I hate caramel. So anything with caramel in goes in the bin.
Horrible.
I mean, Dairy Milk. I'll say it's a meh for me.
I go with that. I like regular Dairy Milk
Okay,
Cadbury.
Oh yeah,
This is
that's
right
goat.
now. That's a go-to.
Double decker.
Mm,
Not the biggest fan. It's a mess.
meh. Too sweet for me.
For you, what are you like fucking 60? What's this shit, bro?
What the? I'm sorry.
I can't
said
have
sweet.
chocolate without tea. You're like one of those 60-year-old men.
Oh my god.
You know.
Would you not take
What
sugar in
is
your
that
tea now
for?
either?
What does that say? I can't read that.
Drifter.
Yeah,
Drifter,
Drifter.
never heard of it.
Never
had
heard
it.
of that either. In the bin.
Bin.
If that's your childhood, it's in the bin. I don't give a fuck.
Is that pudge or
Fudge.
fudge?
I think
it's fudge.
That's a banger.
I
That's
think
a banger.
I don't know if it's fudge or pudge. I don't know.
I think it's
It's
fudge
It's
because
fudge.
yeah,
It's
it's fudge.
I've never had it. Pudge.
Punch is banger for me.
I've never had it, so I don't know.
I'm gonna say it's a quality for me.
I've never had it, so we're going quality. Quality's looking kind of lonely, so we'll put
Galaxy
it
Caramel is meh for me.
there. You don't like caramel, so we'll put it there. Galaxy, goat. Yeah,
Chuck
Go
it.
easy.
Kinder.
Again, in
What
the
the
bin
fuck
for
is
you,
that?
No, I actually quite like these ones, yeah.
Wait,
I
is
put
that
them on
coconut
quality.
Kinder?
No, it's just regular milk Kinder. It's not
Oh,
crunchy.
bangers for me then.
Yeah, same. I'd go with that. Fucks me. Kit Kat.
Kit
go.
Kat. Oh, Kit Kat's goated for me.
I'm never a Kit Kat. No, I've never. Chuck that fucking shit in the bin. bro.
It's
I've
not that
never
bad.
eaten it. It's disgusting. No, I would
Nah.
not. That's not. on
Aye,
dairy.
okay, it goes in
Whatever.
quality then. Quality.
Alright, fine.
Yeah.
Hey, Lint. Lindo.
Lint
Lindo.
is
Lindo.
goated.
Lindo or Lint, whatever it's called.
It's goated for me. Easy.
I'd say that's a banger of quality.
Yeah, it's banger. It's banger.
I'd say it's a
Banger.
banger. I quite like it.
Lions.
Lion.
Or Lion.
never heard
I don't
I don't
know.
think I've heard of that.
I never heard of it either.
Wait, is that like UK? Is it?
Wait,
Is it
I've
UK chocolate?
I've seen it before, but I don't think I've ever had it.
Are these all UK chocolate? You sure?
These are apparently all UK chocolate.
I don't think
they are.
Toblerone is UK chocolate. Is it?
No, you see that a lot in the UK though.
Isn't
No.
Toblerone
In the
Swiss?
UK.
I thought it was.
I thought
No, as in,
Toblerone.
all of these, you'd find these in like UK stores. It's different to American
Oh.
Okay, well I've never heard of Lion, so it's in the bin. Alright.
stores. Yeah.
Mars. I've never been the biggest fan. I don't really
Nah,
like
I'd say
it.
it's meh.
Such a
Okay, it's
dick.
going in the bin. Fuck it.
Milky
Milky Bar. I love Milky Bars, man.
Ooh.
Do you know what? I have like a really bad experience with Milky Bar because I had like way too much and I threw up.
Okay, but that's not the
Ooh.
chocolate bar. That's you fucking idiot.
Idiot. I put it in either banger or quality. It's not good enough for goat.
We'll put it in
Quality
I
then.
think it's
Yeah,
pretty
quality.
Can't. What's that?
Ooh, Milky
Milky Ways. I
Wait,
love
Milky
Milky
Way,
Ways.
yeah.
Bro, Milky
Oh,
Ways used to be
Milky
one of my favorite things to eat as a
How
kid.
can it go? Milky
Yeah.
Way. Do you know when you get a Milky Way in a
Yeah.
celebrations box? Yeah, you
Yeah.
always pick a Milky Ways out first.
What the fuck is that?
Okay.
Picnic.
Pick
Never heard of
Isn't
that.
that just
Oh,
like it's got like raisins and shit like
My
that inside?
parents like this shit. I think it's
That's some
fucking
old
cool.
people shit is in it, then. Fuck
In
that.
the bin.
Look at
Old
how
people
much
Ripple?
shit.
Oh my god.
Ripple.
A ripple.
Ripples are nice. I think they're alright. I think we'll put
Yeah.
it in.
I don't know. I
Meh.
just think it's I don't
Fine,
know.
fine. We'll put it
It's
in. Meh.
alright.
Snickers, I love Snickers.
Snickers?
I fucking hate it.
Yeah, I like
What?
Snickers because of the peanuts.
Fucking
You don't
hate
like
it.
Snickers?
I really hate.
You know what? It's got it's got
Wow.
caramel in it. That's why.
I won't accept anything higher than quality.
I'll agree
We'll
with that
go
quality
with
for me
quality.
as well.
Good
Then.
quality is pretty good. The
The
fuck's
hell is
that?
that?
Time out. Time out. Yeah.
Time out.
Yeah.
I've never heard of
I don't
that.
think I've had
Never
a
heard.
time out.
In the bin.
Here we go.
In the bin.
Yeah, put that quote right
Nope.
there. In the bin.
Toblerone.
Okay, so
Toblerone.
funny story. I've actually recently, only recently, I
Hmm.
say recently, within the last 6 months, I had my first ever Toblerone.
What?
Yeah, I'd never had it before, and I thought it
Yo.
was fucking incredible.
They're really
It
good.
is one of
So
the
good.
best things.
It is so nice. I didn't expect it to be good, but I literally munched a whole bar in like a week.
It's very crunchy.
A week?
Yeah, bro.
I finished that in a day.
Yeah, but you know
The
what?
fuck,
I'm
Adam! Look at your
busy like
titties,
you.
bro.
Come on,
Look at your
man.
titties. Show your titties for the camera. Exactly. Look at them.
There you go.
Look at them.
It's mine.
Exactly. Look at them, man.
Hey, yo, boy, they're mine. Back off.
All right, Toblerone. We're going go. We're going go.
Go or bangers? Go.
Bangers,
Go for me.
Bangers.
Or bangers. Put in bangers. No, put in bangers.
Bangers, definitely.
Toffee crisps.
Toffee crisp.
Never
Nah.
fan. Never been a fan.
Yeah, just chuck in the bin, man.
In the bin.
In the bin.
12.
Oh, the fucking go.
Go.
Yeah.
Go.
Alright,
Go.
okay.
Okay, you're getting heroes box.
I
Yeah,
agree.
you're always grabbing the 12s. Always.
Twix.
Twix.
Sumeet probably doesn't like
Nah.
Twixes.
Chuck in the bin, man.
I like them. I think they're meh. I think they're alright.
I think they're meh. Yeah.
You can have that.
Whisper
Wisps.
is
Whisper.
goated. Easy.
I
peasy
don't
for
think
me.
it's go at all.
I don't.
I
I'm
love
not really
it.
a
It's
much.
so smooth.
I'll give you a banger, but I'd put it in quality.
No, it's quality. Not banger.
Fuck you guys.
Why is there two Yorkies? What the
There's
fuck?
two Yorkie ones. So there's the
Because
normal
Yorkie man, Yorkie women.
Is it?
I don't know.
He just
I
made
don't
that
know.
up.
You made that up.
Nah.
Little saying.
I don't know. One, it's probably just different
Probably
flavors.
different flavor.
Well, unless it's not one picture, is it?
Original Yorkie for me.
Nope, two different pictures.
Original Yorkie definitely go for me.
I've never had a
Actually, I'd want
Yorkie.
him for
It's
it.
it's literally just milk chocolate.
Is that it? Okay, so if it's milk chocolate, we'll go and bang. I'm not going to go.
Bangers?
I really
I
like
don't know
it.
what that is.
That
so-
one, let's just put it one below because it's different.
'Cause it's
Outcast.
different, one
It's
below.
Outcast.
That is how it works, boy.
Wait, we need some
Hey.
honorable mentions. We need some honorable mentions. Flake.
Oh,
Go.
Reese's peanut butter cups.
I don't
Those are
I don't
amazing.
like it.
Ooh.
Okay, obviously those. That's not English
That's
though.
American.
That's American.
Yeah.
That's American. But
Yeah,
that's
but-
I like that.
Yeah, we need some. Yeah, some of those honorable. You got any honorable mentions, Adam?
The only thing I can really think of is like, you know, when we went to Sainsbury's, you also just get those like bags, like you get your
Little
buttons
bags.
and like M&Ms and whatnot.
Oh, M&Ms, yeah. That's
Oh
a-
yeah, well, M&M's are good. Yeah,
Those
M&M's are
M&Ms.
pretty good.
I'm trying to think what else there is.
You know
Oh,
what?
you can't
Dark
think of
dark
anything.
chocolate
You're gonna
brands.
blank me.
What about
You're
some
gonna
dark
blank me.
chocolate brands? You know.
I've been blanked.
What?
I've been blanked. I said, where would you
What?
put M&Ms?
Oh, where would you put M&M's?
Uh,
Go.
Quality?
I like them. I like peanut. It depends which M&M's. Don't regular or
Yeah.
peanut. Peanuts.
I'm saying
go.
either. I'm saying the crispy or the chocolate. The chocolate ones I put in. Go.
Wait a second. You don't
The
like
crispy
peanut?
I don't like.
You don't like
peanuts
peanut?
Are peanuts are better, man.
What the fuck? Peanut's the best. Peanut's the best. Peanut's the best. Peanut's the best.
Penis.
Did you
So-
say penis is the
No,
best?
no. Peanut.
No.
Peanut.
I'm clipping that. I'm replaying that.
Peanut.
You'll get
Peanut.
Whoa. I mean, salmon. I don't judge, right? But you can do what you
Hey,
want.
what's wrong with being gay?
Nothing.
Yeah, exactly,
nothing, I
that's
don't have
what- that's
anything
what I
against
thought.
it.
That's what I thought.
You claim to not be gay, so you're moving sus.
Alright.
Alright guys, if you did enjoy that video, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe for more content. We'll come back with you with some more tier list videos in future. Thanks for Adam for coming on.
Thank
Little
you.
thing as well. Yeah,
No
see you
worries, bro.
next episode.